Good day, everyone! How are you today? Welcome to another episode of Empowerment Technologies class. I am Sir Edison Mamawag from Putlod, San Jose National High School. You may call me Sir Ed. Are you ready to engage and learn in the digital world of information and communications technology? That's great! Get your pen, paper, and devices ready. After watching this video, you are expected to, number 1, demonstrate how online ICT projects for social change are uploaded, managed, and promoted for maximum audience impact. And number 2, generate a technical report interpreting data analytics. For example, Google, Facebook, or similar traffic data on the general aspects of search, visibility, reach, and virality. In our previous discussion, we analyzed how target or intended users and audiences are expected to respond to the proposed ICT project for social change on the basis of content, value, and user experience, and integrate rich multimedia content in design and development to best enhance the user experience and deliver content of an ICT project for social change. Now, I would like to ask you to take a closer look on these pictures. Are those images look familiar with you? Of course! It is because those pictures went viral in social media. That leads us to the question, what is viral? When the term used related to technology, according to the definition from Cambridge Dictionary, viral is an adjective used to describe something that quickly becomes very popular or well-known by being published on the internet or sent from person to person by email, phone, and others. It may be in the form of a post, a blog, a video, a picture, an audio, and other forms of media. Have you ever wondered how contents in the YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook become trending? Have you ever been a social media follower and followed an influencer? It may be recalled that an influencer is a popular term for someone who has a large social media following. In the case of YouTube, a large number of subscribers. Influencers play a vital role in affecting digital citizens and the society. For example, Catriona Gray on children's rights, David Guison on fashion and style, Erwan Yusuf on food and fitness, Gretchen Ho on sports and women empowerment, and Robbie Domingo on entertainment. These people use different social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube to entertain and inform us, and even for income generation, also known as monetization. I know that many of you want to be like them, but the question is, do you know the process of uploading the videos in YouTube? That is what we are going to find out in today's discussion and more. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to upload videos using YouTube Studio. Number 1. Go to YouTube Studio. Number 2. Log in using your details. Number 3. You will be directed to the dashboard. Number 4. Click Create on the top right of your screen and select Upload Videos. Number 5. Click Select Files or drag and drop video files to upload. Number 6. It will autofill in the title of your video, taking the information from the name of your video file that you uploaded. You can change this. Number 7. Fill in the title plus the description section. Number 8. Scroll down to add your thumbnail. Again, YouTube will pre-select a thumbnail from your video, taking screen grabs of a few options. I prefer to make my own thumbnail, and if you want to do this, press the plus button and upload your own image. Number 9. You can add your video straight to a playlist you have already made, or you can create one here now too and add it to that. Number 10. Scroll down to select audience options. Then press next when happy. Number 11. You have the option to add video elements such as end screens and cards. If, like me, you are not intending to do this right now, press next to move on to the final stage, which is visibility. Number 12. Visibility. Choose between public, unlisted, and private. You can also choose to schedule this video to go live at a certain time. Number 13. You will be taken back to your dashboard and your channel videos page within it. Here, you can edit the details, which I advise so you can add your tags. Number 14. Press save, and that's it. You are done. Here are some helpful tips to do online promotion. Number 1. Email marketing. Number 2. Blog marketing. Number 3. Social media marketing. Number 4. Social engine marketing. And number 5. Search engine marketing. Email marketing involves sending email messages to a list of prospects or current customers as a way to promote products and stay in touch with your market. Blog marketing is the process of reaching targets through a blog. Social media marketing is a technique done by linking the website URL with any social media post to attract more interested visitors. Search engine marketing involves processes and tasks that help search engine find and rank websites. Website monitoring. Website monitoring is one of the key parts of website management, which includes processes of testing and logging the status and uptime performance of a website. Website traffic monitoring is an integral part of website maintenance and development because it is the process of reviewing and analyzing website performance, stability, and overall user experience. Its key objective is to evaluate the website's performance from the end user's standpoint. Some of the things which can be monitored in website traffic include number of users visiting the website within a specific time, overall visit length, most popular page or website component, website speed, page download speed or website access speed, website bounce rate, and popular visitor channels, referred by website or search engine. Large statistical data is collected in website traffic to be used in managing and sustaining the website, and this cannot be easily processed and analyzed manually. However, one should not be bothered because of the availability of several platforms and software intended for this purpose. Are you familiar with this image? I'm sure you are. This is the logo of Google, one of the biggest technology firms specializing in internet-related services and products, which include online advertising technologies, search engine, cloud computing, software, and hardware. Did you know that Google offers one of the most widely used free website analytics platform that provides statistics and basic analytical tools for search engine optimization or SEO and marketing purposes? It is what we know now as Google Analytics. Understanding how site visitors behave once on your website, learning what your best site content is, and finding out where users come from is crucial to scaling your site and expanding your brand's reach. Here are several key metrics you need to pay particular attention to when tracking your site traffic with Google Analytics. Number 1, Acquisition Overview. You can access it using the menu in the left sidebar of your Google Analytics dashboard. It tells you where your visitors originated from, such as search engines, social networks, or website referrals. This is a key section when determining which online marketing tactics are bringing the most visitors to your website. Number 2, traffic sources. Every referral to a website has an origin or source. Possible sources include Google, the name of a search engine; Facebook.com, the name of a referring site; Spring Newsletter, the name of one of your newsletters; and direct, users that type your URL directly into their browser or who had bookmarked your site. Organic search, visitors who come to your website after searching google.com and other search engines. Paid search, visitors who come to your website from an AdWords or other paid search ad. Direct, visitors who come to your website without a traceable referral source, such as typing your URL into their address bar or using a bookmark on their browser. Referral, visitors who come to your website from another website by clicking on a link. Social, visitors who come to your website from a social network. And others, if you use UTM parameters for custom campaign tracking. The traffic linked to those campaigns is listed here. Number 3, bounce rate, the percentage that were the only one of the sessions. Number 4, conversions, a completed activity, online or offline, that is important to the success of your business. Examples include a completed sign-up for your email newsletter, a goal conversion, and a purchase. A transaction, sometimes called an e-commerce conversion. Number 5, interactions per visit. Number 6, exit pages, the percentage that were the last in the session. Number 7, goals. It allows you to measure how well your site or app fulfills your target objectives. You can set up individual goals to track discrete actions, like transactions with a minimum purchase amount or the amount of time spent on a screen. Each time a user completes a goal, a conversion is logged in your analytics account. I hope that everybody learned from this discussion. Now, to test your knowledge and understanding, let us try to answer the following questions in this assessment. Question number 1. This is the type of visitors who come to your website after searching google.com and other search engines. Letter A, paid. Letter B, organic. Letter C, referral. Or letter D, social. The correct answer is letter B, organic. You got it right. Question number 2. This tells you where your visitors originated from, such as search engines, social networks, or website referrals. Letter A, conversions. Letter B, goals. Letter C, dashboards. Or letter D, acquisition overview. The correct answer is D, acquisition overview. Very good! Question number 3. Which of the following is not a way to promote a Facebook page? Letter A, make playlists. Letter B, invite friends. Letter C, create page likes. Or letter D, include links to your content, post infographics, and polls. The correct answer is letter A, make playlists. Brilliant! You got the correct answer. Question number 4. This is someone who has chosen to follow your channel or page and your content so they can stay updated with your latest videos. Letter A, visitor. Letter B, post. Letter C, subscriber. Or letter D, likes. The correct answer is letter C, subscriber. Very good! And for our last question, a popular term for someone who has a large social media following, in the case of a YouTube, a large number of subscribers. Letter A, Facebook. Letter B, Reddit. Letter C, Twitter. Or letter D, influencer. The correct answer is letter D, influencer. Good job! Thank you for giving your bright response to our assessment. And now, for the additional task of today's lesson, here are the instructions. Number 1, make a creative content that focuses on the advocacy of protecting the mental health of students during the pandemic. Number 2, you may choose from any of the following types of content: a meme, vlog, blog post, or an infographic and upload it to your Facebook page. Number 3, use the hashtags #MentallyStrong while learning. Number 4, the creative content shall aim to gain impact and social change. And lastly, generate a technical report using Google Analytics of your post after 2 weeks from its initial upload and publication. Information and communications technology is a powerful tool in shaping the landscape of our world's future. And as what Matt Mullenweg, a social media entrepreneur, once said, technology is best when it brings people together. Let us make a strong impact for positive change through information and communications technology. This has been Sir Edison Mamawag from Putlod San Jose National High School. Thanks for joining us in this episode of Empowerment Technologies class. Make sure to tune in again next time for an empowering journey in the digital world of information and communications technology. Goodbye!